My name is Rishabh Raj and I'm a second year student from BITS Pilani. And welcome to the BITS Pilani Campus Tour.
Now let's move on to the VFast Hostel. Here, parents or residents may stay, but you have to book them in advance. Now let's move on to JEE. Guys, this is JEE and it is a place where you can play outdoor sports as it is visible. Here you can play basketball, then you will see a tennis ground, and then the previously which you saw was a football ground. And there is also a cricket ground in the backwards which I have not covered in this video. Now let's move on to the ride of the greenery and the roads, and you can see radies or hostels on both sides. Now let's move on to the BITS library. So guys, BITS library is really advanced and we'll go inside it, but let's see the outdoor areas first of all. So you can see a lot of cycles because there are a lot of people every time in the BITS library, and there you can see it's called LTC, Lecture Theatre Complex. And let's move on to the BITS library now. So as I was telling, it's really advanced and it has ACs in its rooms, and this is also a reason why students prefer to study here. And then there are a lot of reading rooms, there are a lot of floors, like there are 2 floors which are full of 3-4 types of rooms, and this is one of the best places, group studying, not discussion. So that was the library guys, and this is the food ministry. This is also a place where you can eat. Now we are moving to the FD. This is the FD building which we are going towards, and you can also see the very famous clock tower in the view. Where you can see hostels on the left side and the new academic building on the right side, which is popularly called NAB. Now we have reached to the temple lawns. This is a really beautiful place. You can see clock tower in the far view, as well as you can see the statue of Shri G.D. Birla. And now finally we will see the Sarasvati Temple. Peaceful and very beautiful. And you can see the region surrounded. It has trees, it has greenery. You can find a lot of students here in the mornings as well as in the evenings. So guys, this is the Birla School on campus, and we would very soon also see a poster of a girl who got 99.98 percentile from this school in JEE Main. This is the Birla Balika Vidyapeeth. So let's move on. This is Javed Habib, one of the very popular saloons in the campus, which you have to pre-book. There is also one more saloon in the Connaught, which is like a mini market in the campus, which we'll see again. Now this is the SAC, which is Student Activity Center, and here you can play indoor sports. So this is a place which is very busy in the nights. This is Dot, then you can see Mr. Idli, and finally we will reach to Looters. Now let's move Aditya Birla Memorial. This is the museum on campus. We cannot go inside because of COVID protocols and all, but you can see a lot of things from this far view also. After the Birla Science Center, we are going to one of the most busiest places on campus, which is popularly called Rotunda. So let's go there. You could see the clock tower really closely from here, which is obvious from the video as well. The thing with Rotunda is that it is a place where all batches of students come, they enjoy, they spend their nights. And this is the way. You can see the stairs where people sit at nights, they sing, they dance sometimes, they go to the center of Rotunda. So after the Rotunda, let's go into the zigzag path towards new academic building. On both sides of this view, you can see classes or departments. And also, while going to this path or coming from this path, you can see the clock tower very easily. It is one of the newest buildings of our campus, and that's why its name is New Academic Building. And you can also see a lot of greenery, which is like everywhere on the campus. So this is the Akshay supermarket. Right now it's closed, so I'll come back in 10 minutes. But before that, let's go on straight to the path and see Shiv Ganga as well as Connaught. So guys, this is Shiv Ganga, which is closed for everyone. No one can go inside it. It's not like we cannot go because of COVID and all, but we cannot go for sure here. So I don't know why it's closed, but some people say that the water is really deep, as well as you can see the statue of Lord Shiva here. And now let's move on to again a very busy place in nights, where you can see many clubs giving their formal dinners, or you can see seniors and juniors meeting, you can see your own batch meeting, and There are a lot of restaurants like Nobles. You also saw that Cafe Crunch thing. And then there is Sharma's restaurant where we ate paneer and veg things, which was really good. And again we'll go to Kamal's where we ate non-veg, which was also good. So yeah, you can say cafe coffee. And you can also see some other things like saloon or Jio store, Airtel store. I don't know Airtel, but Jio I saw here. Yeah. You can see some shops where you can buy some things. You can see the Vijay restaurant. So yeah, let's finally get into the Akshay supermarket. So this is the Akshay supermarket. It has everything you can think of which is like needed for this hostel journey. You can say books. You can see also some story books, which is not really for us because there are also staff kids here. I think this is for them. Then you can see these cold drinks and you can see some eatable stuffs. Yeah, you can see those blankets. I don't know what it's called. Okay, and you can see these eatable stuffs. Yeah, you can see this jhadu. I don't know what its English is. Yeah, let's go upwards and see what's in the store for us. You can see these clothes. So that is it. I hope you would have liked this campus tour video, and I wish that you come soon to BITS Pilani and enjoy this tour by yourself from your own eyes. And thank you for watching.